Lesson 4. Lighthouse Hotspot Exploration. One of the best ways to kickstart your metaverse exploration experience is to hop into some of the popular hotspots visited by multiple people at the same time. These hotspots could include anything from public gatherings all the way to social events and content showcases. Let's take a look at how you can utilize the tools offered by Lighthouse to have some amazing first metaverse-related experiences. The very first thing that you'll need to do is create a gate of your own on Lighthouse. You can do so by simply connecting your crypto wallet to the platform or connecting via SSO thanks to their partnership with Privy, navigating to your profile and clicking on Your Gate. Here, you can choose to customize the gate according to your preferences. What you'll need to do now, however, is add some friends by either inviting them to use Lighthouse with you or sorting through the lists on the People page. Once that is done, you'll now need to download the dedicated browser extension in order to let your friends know when you're visiting a metaverse space and to jump between the spaces easily. Thanks to the Lighthouse Launchpad, you'll be able to easily navigate through thousands of experiences across more than 20 different virtual worlds. Did you have a great time but forgot which world that took place in? Don't fret, Lighthouse features a jump history section, so you'll be able to find all of your previous jumps easily.